Today I'm going to show you what we can achieve with Salesforce communities, and we're using here the Better PLC website to demonstrate what can be accomplished with Salesforce. We have a website, a live website you can go to here, and we have an e-commerce shop, and we have several communities including a customer community we're going to go into here. We've enabled this community with social sign-in for users' convenience, so they can use their Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, or actually a number of different other authentication social sites. Here we have Kim, she's logging in with Twitter. Once she authorizes access, she has access to the community. We can see here she's got access to Chatter, to cases that she's raised either via telephone, live chat, or directly here on the community. She's got all the orders that she's created on the Better website as well through the shopping basket. And here we have one recent order she looks at. Maybe she wants to make a change to that order, a change to the delivery address, edit the items that are in it, cancel items. And she can do all that just with standard config here within the Salesforce community. And finally, we have her profile. Kim's an active member of our community, and she wants to interact with us. But she has profile preferences as well on how we deal with her. We can see that she's a seasoned member of our community and she's done a number of Chatter posts before. But what are her communication preferences? She's going to change them now so that she gets her surveys and her closed case notifications via different channels. We also have the ability to have a subscription product in Better PLC for our next day delivery called Better Prime. And here Kim is changing her preferences so that when she's on holiday, she actually takes a payment holiday from that service, but also changing the preferred contact, and she sets here no contact during that period. Finally, we have the carrier that she prefers to use. So when we send goods to Kim, she's choosing which of the carriers that she prefers to deliver to her that are most convenient, maybe the depots nearby. I'm just going to save those details. We're now going to have a closer look at the Chatter interaction with Kim. She goes into the vacuum user group here, and she's a frequent member of this community group, as we see here, previously posting about a vacuum with wheels, and this time she's got a new idea. She's looking for a idea of a vacuum cleaner that can deal with liquid spills in the kitchen. So she posts her question, her comment to the group to see if anyone else is interested in that feature or if it's already part of the product roadmap. So she shares that with the community. Now I'm going to switch user to an internal user, Monty, who's our marketing manager. Monty also uses Chatter within Salesforce. And normally to respond, he has to switch into that customer community in order to see Kim's post and in order to respond to it. Or he can wait until the email arrives. He sees here Kim's post and he could comment right here in the customer community, but he's having to switch applications effectively. It's taken him away from his day job. Here we see, when I've switched back, we've actually got that post within his normal Chatter feed now, even though it's a community post. And here he can respond within his normal day-to-day Chatter feed to his customers, his partners, and his peers. So he says that's a great idea, and he's talked to the product team already, and they've already got a prototype that Kim can test out. Now, what we'll do is switch back and see Kim's response to that. I'll just refresh the page. And here we see Monty's response, again showing within the community, even though he was working from within his normal Salesforce org. And that's amazing, and Kim takes him up on his offer. And that completes today's demo of customer communities, Chatter, and the Better PLC website.